stick around to see how we created these adorable Santas. And we only did it in 15 minutes using 3 different materials. You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Right, before we get started, y'all know I have to shout out the supporter of the day. So I wanted to shout out Three King Vision on here because they have subscribed to my channel and supported me here on YouTube and supported me on Instagram. So guys, when you get a chance, check them out. I promise the kids will love Mr. Billy. He is a librarian out in Florida and he does all these storytime videos, and on Instagram he does storytime lives and he reads books to the kids. So if you have little ones at home, and well, of course you have little ones at home because you're on my channel, so let the little ones get a little story time with Mr. Billy. Please follow him on all social media platforms and support, guys. And thank you so much, Mr. Billy, for all your support on Instagram, and I really appreciate it so much. Y'all go check him out.
Little friends, before we get started, we gotta protect ourselves. Whoa! Guess what, y'all? Before we interact and try to find busy, make sure we put our protective mask in our clothes. Whoa! And guess what? This should be the color of the day. It's yellow. Everyone say yellow? Yellow. Good job. Good job.
All right, so you're gonna need a plate. I used 2 because we did 2 Santas. Some construction paper. We use red, white, black, and brown colors. And you're gonna need some glue, some scissors, and we're gonna flip the plates over and work on the other side, okay? So we're gonna start off by making our Santa face. You can make him any color you want. So find a circle, or a circular, shape that you have around the house. So I'm doing 2. So if you're doing 2, you can fold it in half, make your work easy, and cut 2 circles out at the same time. Done. My circles are a little small, but we're not going to talk about that. So now get your white construction paper and make your cloud shape. So you see I'm doing that by making a lot of little spread out M's. That's how I can explain it, but you guys know how to make clouds, so make your clouds. And I actually split my cloud into 2 because I was able to reposition it on the plate a little better. So instead of making one solid cloud like you see me doing, go ahead and make several little clouds because I feel like it'll give your artwork some variation. So now take your black construction paper, do the exact same thing. Cut out some clouds, and we use this for his hair. Time to make the Santa hat. So get your red construction paper, and I want you to draw a fin, like a shark's fin, and that's the shape you're going to need for the hat. We did 2 because we did 2 crafts. So then you can cut them out. You can also fold the paper in half to cut it out quicker. I didn't think of that. Then you're going to make, so take the white construction paper after you're done cutting out your fins and use the scrap paper. I mean, you just recycle, people. So use the scrap paper, and I want you to cut out the cloud shapes that you did for the beard. Do the same thing for the Santa hat. And now it's done. Make sure you glue it together though. So quick question. I have a question for the parents out there. Do you notice your child enhancing in any way after doing crafts and art with them? Because I'm noticing a lot. You see my daughter, her handles are getting so much better. I guess we call that motor skills. But her motor skills are increasing, and I notice she's able to make decisions quicker. She's a lot confident. So parents, tell me in the description box below how your child is enhancing with my arts and craft projects. I would love to hear it. All right, so now you're going to take that circular piece we did in the beginning, go ahead and glue that in the middle of your plate, and then I want you to glue the beard at the bottom half, and you see we have 2 pieces of our clouds that we are positioning. Then you're going to get your googly eyes because you're going to have to give Santa some eyes. Oh, wait, don't forget the hair, of course. This part right here is going to actually be an add-in because I realized at the end of this I did not really want a mouthless Santa. So what you see me doing here is I'm cutting out another cloud shape, and then I'm going to cut the inside of that cloud shape out to give Santa a mouth. You can actually skip this step when you do yours, make sure you cut a hole in the beard, therefore your Santa can have a mouth, because I think he looks better with a mouth. But if you guys don't want a mouth, then ignore this whole step. But I just wanted to give my Santa a mouth at the end of the day. So I cut out that shape, right? And then I realized, okay, that's perfect. And what I'm going to also do is cut it in half, and I'm going to give one shape to my daughters. So that way she can have a Santa with a mouth too. So I'm putting hers there, I'm putting mine there, and that is all to it. So see, don't y'all think he look better with a mouth? I think he does. And what you're seeing me do right now, I'm just making the mouth bigger. So I'm cutting a little bit of the beard that we previously put on there. I'm just cutting a little more out of it. So now see, he has a bigger opening for a mouth. And look, I'm going to make him say ho 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 by giving him a circle with my Sharpie. And don't forget to do the nose. I did 2 little spots for the nose. And now Santa looks so much better. Yay! So yes, guys, I thought these Santas turned out spectacular, and we put them on the tree, and they're currently there right now, just hanging out on the tree. So as soon as you come to my house, you got a wonderful surprise. Can you guys make sure you stay tuned for my next video? I'm going to show y'all how to make these adorable Rudolph crafts, and then I also have a Christmas tree one that I made right here out of toilet paper rolls, so you don't want to miss that as well. And guys, thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you guys do this craft at home, and make sure that you tag me so I can see your little one's artwork, and maybe they can be my next creative of the day. All right, guys, have a great holiday, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.